Grammar from Chowra Public School. Hello Chowrites, once again welcome from Chowra Public School, Dhule for class 5 English grammar lecture. Students, last period I taught you the types of nouns. I hope you understood that. So this period we'll revise it and we'll solve the exercise. So here the types of nouns in your book is described 4 types of nouns. First one is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. So common nouns which is using generally like girl, boy, man, woman, city, country. These are common noun. Proper noun, a noun which is giving a specific particular place, thing, animal or an idea. Like city, Dhule city. Continent, Asia continent. Chocolate, Dairy Milk chocolate. Then next is collective noun. A noun which is given to a particular group. Like flowers, a bunch of flowers. A group of soldiers called armies. The stairs called flight, a flight of stairs. Then the abstract noun, a noun which we cannot touch it, we only feel it. Like the feelings of love, kind and anger. So I hope you understood this lesson and you will solve the exercise correctly. Now see the exercise. So students, I hope you understood the types of noun which described in your textbook. Common noun which we are using for general like boy, girl, man, woman, town, boy, city. Proper noun which we are using for particular or specific person, place, thing, animal or an idea. Like man, then Gopal, woman, Geeta, boy, Ram. So town, Chalisgaon, then country, India. So like this proper nouns are there. Collective nouns, a noun which is given to a particular group like soldiers group called army, the mountains group called range. An abstract noun which you cannot feel or touch like feelings of kindness, anger, love and others. So dear student, here are some nouns which you can use as a common noun also and proper noun also. So sun, moon and earth. If you are using them as a planet, then you can use it as a proper noun. But if you are using it generally, then you can use it as a common noun. See, the sun is star. So here the sun is proper noun. And the second sentence, the sun's rays come in though the window. So here it is a common noun. Same way the moon is Earth's satellite. So earth has 2 poles. So first sentence the earth is proper noun. Second sentence also earth is proper noun. Then abstract noun which express state, idea, concept, feeling, qualities that cannot be seen or touched but just experience it. So states given consciousness, hope, humor, insanity, maturity, childhood, manhood, womanhood. Qualities beauty, bravery, calm, charity, confidence, courage, curiosity, dedication, determination, elegance, enthusiasm, evil, fear, generosity, patience, perseverance, goodness, honesty, humility, integrity, intelligence, wisdom and wit. Then feelings, hatred, love, honor, jealousy, kindness and loyalty. Then the collective nouns for book, raw, then ants, swarm, wolves, pack, keys, flower, grapes, bananas, bunch, stairs, flight, trees, clump and poems, anthology. So grapes, cluster, elephants, deer, cows, herd and fish, shoal. So dear student, here one passage is given about Dr. Dolittle, the famous animal doctor. You have to underline the nouns in the passage, then put them in the appropriate columns in the table given below. So here I underlined the nouns and I specified them in common noun and proper noun, because collective nouns and abstract nouns are not there. So many years ago, so year is common noun. There lived a doctor in a little town called Puddleby on Marsh. So doctor, town, common noun. People, common noun. Problem, animals, people, common noun. House, garden, garden, pet, pond, goldfish, rabbit, pantry, mice, piano, squirrel. These are common noun. Hedge, cellar, horse, cow, duck, dog, parrot, owl, sister, house, pet, house. These all are common noun. Then Puddleby on Marsh, this proper noun. Dr. John Dolittle, proper noun. Dab Dab Jib, proper noun. Policia Tutu, proper noun. Then see the next page. From abstract noun, from the following common nouns. Common nouns are given. From that you have to form the abstract nouns in exercise 2 with the help of Hood, RY and Tom. So, child, childhood, adult, adulthood, king, kingdom, slave, slavery. Abstract noun, you can't touch it, you just feel it. Exercise 3, from abstract noun, form the following adjectives. So here adjectives given, you have to convert them into abstract noun with the help of RY, dome, ness and TY. Brave, bravery. Kind, kindness. Free, freedom. Real, reality. Exercise 4. Meant, the. Verb, agree, agreement. The abstract noun is agreement. Treat, treatment. Pay, payment. Grow, growth. So, next exercise is, here is an incomplete passage. You have to complete it with the appropriate collective nouns in the blanks and complete it. You may choose words from the box given below. So, the collective noun given here, flock, herd, team, clump, grow, brood, range. So, here I used it. This is Raju's farm. Beyond the farm, we can see a range of mountains. So, mountains, collective noun for mountain is range. There is a flock of birds. Birds, flock. In the sky, Raju's son Uttam is bringing his herd of cows. So, cows, herd. Then next is a flock of sheep. So, sheep, flock is using for sheep also, for birds also. It's grazing at the foot of the mountain near the barn. There is a hen with a brood of chickens near the clumps of tree. So, chickens group called brood, trees group called clumps. Raju's brother is selling mangoes. He bought the mangoes from the mango grove at the foot of the mountain. Raju is ploughing the field with pair of oxen. Now next, underline the nouns in the following sentence and discuss whether they are common, proper or abstract or collective noun. So first, the wind and the sun had a quarrel. So wind and sun is common noun. Kolkata is on the bank of the Hooghly. Kolkata and Hooghly proper noun, bank is common noun. The Rani of Jhansi showed great courage. Rani of Jhansi is a proper noun, courage is abstract noun. Ali gave his sister a great fight. Ali is a proper noun, sister is a common noun and fight is a abstract noun. A class consists of 20 pupils. So here class is collective noun, pupils is common noun. Without health there is no happiness. Health and happiness abstract noun because you cannot touch it. A team is better than theirs. Team is collective noun, better is abstract noun. They group their way through darkness. So here darkness is abstract noun. So dear student, I hope you understood this exercises very well. You have to solve these exercises in your textbook and send the pics Thank you. Have a blessed day.